Hello guys, so in this video I will tell you that how to enable SIM lock on your Android phone. So maybe your Android phone got stolen, and if you have a pin or if you have a password on your Android phone, then they cannot use your phone. But what they can do is they can basically remove the SIM from your phone and they can use your SIM from your name and to do different type of crimes. But if you have enabled the SIM lock, then they can also not use the SIM on any other phone as well. That is why SIM lock is very important. So in this video I will tell you that how to enable the SIM lock. So first of all, you need to tap on settings here, then you need to scroll down until you see security option. This should be present in any Android phone, and here you have to search for SIM card lock. Okay, so in your case the name will be different, but it should be present in the latest Android phones. So SIM card lock, and now right now I have just one SIM here, so I will just lock SIM card. So I will just enable this, and now what this will do, this will basically ask me to enter the same pin. So I will just type 1591 and tap on OK here. You have 14 attempts. So I don't actually know the SIM pin here, but if you know the SIM pin here, you can just enable this and you can just enter your SIM pin here, and you can basically get your SIM pin from your SIM company. Okay, you can just call them and you can just tell, so you can just call them and you can tell them that you are locking your SIM and it will require the SIM pin, and you can just tell your number to them and they will tell you the pin, and then when you enter that pin here, then your SIM will be locked. Okay, so guys, if you find this video useful, kindly like this video and subscribe to my channel, and I will see you in the next video.